Welcome. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 11 Attraction and Intimacy. Aristotle famously called humans the social animal. Modern psychology supports this with the need to belong, a fundamental drive to form close, enduring relationships. However, when we experience ostracism or social exclusion, it activates the same pain centers in our brain as physical pain. So, what leads to friendship and attraction? First, let's look at what draws us to others and builds friendships. So, first is proximity. According to this, simply being near to someone, or what we call functional distance, predicts how likely we are to form connections. And then next is interaction and anticipation. So, repeated interactions foster familiarity, and even expecting to meet someone increases our liking. And then last is mere exposure. So the more we're exposed to someone, the more we tend to like them. So physical attractiveness also plays a role. While society often denies this, research shows that physical appearance influences dating and first impressions. Over time, however, love itself can enhance how we perceive someone's attractiveness. So next is similarity versus complementarity. So have you heard the phrase opposites attract? Research says otherwise. So according to our similarity, we're more likely to form bonds with people who share our attitudes, values, and interests. Moreover, according to complementarity, while it's appealing to think people complete each other's differences, this happens less often in practice. So next is liking those who like us and relationship rewards. So we also like people who likes us back. When we discover someone finds us appealing, it can awaken romantic feelings. Finally, we're drawn to those who makes us feel rewarded, whether through shared experiences or emotional fulfillment. This is captured in the reward theory of attraction. So we now move on to what is love. So psychologist Robert Sternberg describes love as a triangle with three components. First is passion. It is the intense longing for union with someone, and then intimacy, the deep emotional closeness, and the commitment, the decision to stay together. So love can take many forms, from passionate and romantic love to companionate love, which grows from shared lives and mutual care. So, what enables close relationship? Strong relationships depend on three key factors. First is attachment. It is the secure or avoidant or anxious attachment styles that shapes how we connect with others. And then next is equity. It is the balance in giving and receiving that leads to satisfaction. Long term equity focuses on trust and generosity rather than immediate repayment. And then lastly is self disclosure. So, sharing personal thoughts and feelings fosters intimacy. When one person opens up, the other is likely to reciprocate. So, how do relationships end? Not all relationships last. Breakups often follow the detachment process. First, an agitated occupation occurs wherein intense focus on the lost partner happens. And then sadness follows. It is the grieving of the loss. And then last is the emotional detachment, wherein there is a gradual letting go and rediscovering of oneself. So, responses to relationship challenges vary. Some show loyalty and wait for improvement, others neglect the relationship, while some voice concerns and work to fix things. So, thank you for listening.